Alright, cruise lovers, welcome back to the Cruise Ship Safety and Security channel. Let's talk about something no one ever really warns you about: security. Now, going on a cruise is different than going on a plane, but one thing they have in common: you still have to go through security. Surprise! Whether you're about to sail on a huge ship or a cozy little vessel, you'll still have to go through security before you can start your vacation. And trust me, it's a lot more chill than the airport, but it can still throw a curveball if you're not prepared. Especially if you're a first-time cruiser, you might feel like you're walking through a maze of rules, scanners, and strangely happy security officers. So today, I'm here to help you avoid those rookie mistakes that could get you stuck at the security gate. Because the last thing you want is to start your vacation on a stressful note. Let's dive in. First up, expecting security to be the same as at the airport. Now, I get it. Security is security, right? But cruising is a lot more relaxed than flying. You won't be taking off your shoes and belt like you're about to join the TSA Olympic team. But you'll still go through metal detectors, and your bags will get scanned. So, while you won't be searched for a bottle of shampoo larger than your carry-on, you still can't bring a pool-sized bottle of conditioner. Trust me, don't even try. Number 2, arriving unprepared. Listen, you're not just walking onto the ship with a smile and a hello. You've got documents to show. You'll need your passport or government-issued ID, and you'll need to show this more than once. Don't be like, "Oops, I left it in my other jacket." Keep it handy, people. Also, if you've got a group, make sure each person has their own passport. No one wants to be the person rummaging through a backpack with a security guard staring at them. And speaking of documents, don't forget to print your boarding pass, because sometimes your phone won't do the trick, and the Wi-Fi at the terminal might be more nope than hope. Number 3, not downloading your cruise line's app. Now, this is an easy one to miss, but trust me, the app is your friend. It has all your boarding info, your cabin number, and your booking details. It's like your digital cruise ticket, but, less papery. Oh, and if you don't have Wi-Fi, screenshot everything just in case. The Wi-Fi at the terminal can be about as reliable as a paper towel in a water fight. Mistake number 4, not emptying your pockets at security. When you go through those X-ray machines, make sure your wallet, keys, AirPods, or that random collection of receipts from 5 years ago are out of your pockets and into the bin. Trust me, your carry-on bag might be full of souvenirs, but they'll still make you empty your pockets like you're about to rob the cruise line. Now, here's the big one. Mistake number 5, bringing prohibited items. Don't bring an iron. It's not a press conference, it's a cruise. Also, no non-surge protected power bars or, the latest high-tech espresso machine you think you'll need for your cruise vibes. Not knowing what drinks you can bring on board. Look, cruise lines often let you bring a bottle of wine and sometimes even soda, but hard alcohol? Nope. You might try sneaking it in, but guess what? You'll be giving it up at security faster than you can say, "I thought this was a vacation." Not realizing there will be sniffer dogs. Yep, that's right. Those cute little puppies that will sniff through your luggage like it's their job. Because it is. Sometimes they'll check the bags before they even board the ship. So if you brought your dog's favorite snack in your bag, well, I hope it's not contraband. And a little bonus for you. What happens when you're coming back from port? Guess what? You'll go through security again when you return. Yep. More scans, more waiting. But hey, you're almost back to your cabin and can finally enjoy your well-earned vacation. So be prepared, and you'll get through quicker than you can say, "I need a margarita." I hope you found these tips helpful, and maybe a little entertaining. Have you ever had a security mishap while boarding? Let me know in the comments below. I want to hear your stories. And of course, if you found this video useful, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe for more cruise tips, hacks, and travel advice. It costs you nothing, unless you would like to buy us a coffee. If you do, you can find the link in our channel description or by visiting buymecoffee.com/cruiseship. Those that are so kind will get a mention in one of our upcoming videos. On that note, thank you, Matt from the UK, for buying us a coffee. It is very much appreciated. Stay legal and stay salty, stay safe and don't get lost at sea. Bye for now and happy cruising.